Okay, we started our first lesson in previous class. Let us start the lesson. Okay, see, there was a girl. Her name is Dorothy, and she was living in Kansas with her uncle and aunt and her dog Toto, and they were okay. There was a strong wind, a cyclone bring their house to a strange land with Dorothy and Toto, and when she came out of the gate, she came to know that she is in a strange land, and there are some people living. They are called munchkins. Munchkins means small men. They are short people. Okay, and she understood that they are troubled with the witch of East. This wicked witch of East, which I told Mandravadini, right? This wicked witch of East, she is giving more trouble to these munchkins, and their wicked witch of North came and told to Dorothy, now you landed in the place of wicked witch of East, and this North wicked witch of North, she is a good witch, and she killed this wicked witch of East, one who is giving problems to munchkins. No, wicked witch of North killed wicked witch of East and came to Dorothy, and she gave the wicked witch of North gave silver shoes to Dorothy. That shoes is belongs to wicked witch of East. Okay, see, the friendly witch of the North. Friendly witch, wicked witch of North is a friendly witch. She is not bad. Okay, the friendly witch of North came up to Dorothy and informed her that her house had landed on wicked witch of East, killing her. She gifted Dorothy the wicked witch's silver slippers. Dorothy asked how she could get back home. The witch of the North told her to ask the Wizard of Oz who lived in the Emerald City. Read on to find out what happened next. See, this wicked witch of North killed this wicked witch of East, and wicked witch of North is a friendly witch. She came to Dorothy and she gave the silver slipper of wicked witch of East. She killed and she took the silver shoes of wicked witch of East, and she gifted to Dorothy. Okay, and Dorothy asked the wicked witch of North how Dorothy can go back to Kansas. Her place is Kansas now. She wants to go back to Kansas. And suddenly this wicked witch of North said that if you want to go back to your place, to Kansas, you have to, if you want to get back to home, you ask the Wizard of Oz who lived in the Emerald City. You have to ask to Wizard of Oz how can you go back to Kansas. Then what happened next? Let us read. Okay, open textbook page number 8. When Dorothy was left alone, she began to feel hungry. So she went to the cupboard and cut herself some bread, which she spread with butter. She had some and gave some to Toto. After breakfast, she set about making ready for the journey to Emerald City. When Dorothy was left alone, she began to feel hungry. Dorothy is getting hungry now. What did she do? She went to cupboard. There are some breads. She cut bread herself, and she spread some butter on the bread, and she gave some bread and butter to Toto. Toto is a pet dog. Okay. After breakfast, She set about making ready for the journey to Emerald City. After breakfast, she is getting ready to go to Emerald City. Why she is going to Emerald City? To meet the Wizard of Oz. She wants to ask how can she go back to Kansas. Dorothy had only one other dress, but that happened to be cleaned and washed and was hanging on the peg beside her bed. It was gingham with check of white and blue, and although the blue was somewhat faded with many washings, it was still a pretty frock. The girl washed herself carefully, dressed herself in the clean gingham, and and tied her pink sunbonnet on her head. She took a little basket and filled it with bread from the cupboard, laying a white cloth over the top. Then she looked down at her feet and noticed how old and worn her shoes were. And Dorothy is having only one another dress. Only two dress was there. One she was wearing and one another dress was there. It was she kept for drying, washed and kept for drying. And it was a gingham. Gingham, what is mean by gingham? A type of cotton cloth with a pattern of white and colored squares. You can see in the picture, okay. She is wearing now, that is gingham. It has square designs and it was having two colors, that is those are white and blue colors. Okay, it was gingham, checks of white and blue, and that blue was somewhat faded. Faded blue color was there. Why? Because it was a old dress, okay, and she washed it many times. Because of these washings only blue is faded, and it was a pretty frock. The girl washed herself carefully and dressed herself. She washed herself. The frock you just think that she is doing everything herself. She is not asking anybody's help, right? She was eating, she was cutting bread herself and spreading butter, and she is cleaning her clothes, everything. She is dressing herself, even though she is a small girl, right? And she dressed herself and tied her pink sunbonnet. You can see in the picture one pink color sunbonnet is there on her head, like a cap, right? It is a sunbonnet. It can protect us from sunlight, okay. And she wore these things, and she took a little basket and filled with bread from the cupboard, laying a white cloth over the top. Then she looked down at her feet and noticed how old and worn her shoes were. And after that, she took a basket and she filled some bread in the basket. While going, she is going to Kansas, okay, to meet the Wizard of Oz. While going, they may get hungry. At that time they want to eat now something. That is why she took some bread in the basket and she covered with a white cloth. She has to keep the bread neat and clean. That's why she put one one towel on the cloth on the bread on the basket, right? And she looked down at her feet and noticed how old and worn shoes were. Her shoes was too old. She worn everything, and she took bread and all. After that, she is seeing at her feet. She saw that her shoes were too old, and then surely we'll never do for a long journey, Toto, she said. And Toto looked up into her face. with his little black eyes and wagged his tail to show he knew what she meant. She said, now who is there? Toto is there. She said to Toto, Toto, these shoes will not last for long. While going, definitely it will break. Toto looked up to her face and he was wagging his tail. He was moving his tail like this, like he understood everything what Dorothy said. At that moment, Dorothy saw lying on the table the silver shoes that had belonged to Witch of the East. Suddenly she saw there on the table, what is there? One silver shoe is there, that is gifted by the wicked witch of East. I wonder if they will fit me, she said to Toto. They would be just the thing to take a long walk in, for they could not wear out. And she was thinking that whether that silver shoes fit for her or not. And they would be just a thing to take a long walk in, for they could not wear out. They took off her old leather shoes and tied on the silver ones, which fitted as her as well as if they had been made for her. Finally, she picked up her basket. Come along, Toto, she said. We will go to the Emerald City and ask the Great Oz how to get back to Kansas again. And she took she wore that silver shoes. Actually, it was fit like anything. It was just like it was made for her. It was perfectly fit for her, and she wore it, and she took her basket, that bread basket is there, no? She took her basket and she called Toto. Come on, Toto, come along with me. We will go to Kansas. We will go to Kansas and we meet Wizard of Oz and we ask him how to get back to Kansas. How can we go back to Kansas? And they started their journey. She closed the door, locked it, and put the key carefully in the pocket of her dress. And so, with Toto trotting along soberly behind her, she started on her journey. She closed the door. She closed the door of her house, and Toto also is there with her, and she kept the door key carefully in her pocket, and Toto is with her, and so with Toto trotting in the sense running or walking fast. Okay, and Toto also walking fast with Dorothy, and she started on her journey. Now she started her journey to Kansas to meet Wizard of Oz. Why she wants to meet Wizard of Oz? Why? Because she wants to ask him how can she go back to Kansas.